Guinea-Bissau, a small West African nation, has a rich history shaped by powerful pre-colonial kingdoms, Portuguese colonization, a long and brutal war for independence, and post-independence political instability. Despite its challenges, Guinea-Bissau remains a country with a strong cultural heritage and a resilient population. Ancient kingdoms and pre-colonial era before the 15th century. Before European contact, the region that is now Guinea-Bissau was home to several powerful African kingdoms. The most prominent among them were the Ghana Empire and Mali Empire influence. While Guinea-Bissau was not directly part of the Ghana Empire, 4th–11th century, or the Mali Empire, 13th–16th century, these great West African states influenced the region through trade and culture. The Kabu Empire, 16th–19th century. The Kabu Empire, an offshoot of the Mali Empire, dominated Guinea-Bissau from the 16th to the 19th century. It was ruled by the Mandinka people and became a powerful military and trading state. Kabu's economy relied on agriculture, trade, and the transatlantic slave trade. The empire eventually fell in 1867 after being defeated by the Fulani-led Fula Jihad, which established Islamic rule in many parts of the region. Portuguese colonization and the slave trade, 15th–20th century. The arrival of the Portuguese, 1446–1879. Portuguese explorers, led by Nuno Tristão, arrived on the coast of Guinea-Bissau in 1446. The Portuguese quickly established a foothold in the region, making it part of their expanding trade empire. Guinea-Bissau became an important center for the transatlantic slave trade, with thousands of Africans captured and sold to European traders. Many enslaved people from Guinea-Bissau were taken to Cape Verde, Brazil, and the Caribbean. Portuguese control and the struggle for economic domination. Unlike other European colonies, the Portuguese struggled to maintain full control over Guinea-Bissau due to strong resistance from local African groups. For centuries, Portuguese influence was mostly limited to coastal trading posts, while the interior remained under the control of African rulers. In 1879, Portugal formally declared Guinea-Bissau a separate colony from Cape Verde. However, it was not until the early 20th century that Portugal fully established control over the entire territory. This was achieved through brutal military campaigns against African resistance movements. The struggle for independence, 1956–1974. By the mid-20th century, nationalist movements across Africa inspired the people of Guinea-Bissau to fight for independence. The most influential leader of this movement was Amilcar Cabral, who founded the African Party for the Independence of Guinea and Cape Verde PAIGC in 1956. The Guinea-Bissau War of Independence, 1963–1974. In 1963, the PAIGC launched an armed struggle against Portuguese rule, beginning the Guinea-Bissau War of Independence. The PAIGC, supported by the Soviet Union, China, and Cuba, used guerrilla warfare tactics to fight Portuguese colonial forces. The war lasted for 11 years, with the PAIGC gradually gaining control over much of the countryside. By 1973, the PAIGC declared Guinea-Bissau's independence unilaterally, though Portugal did not recognize it. In 1974, after the Carnation Revolution in Portugal overthrew the dictatorship, the new Portuguese government granted Guinea-Bissau full independence on September 24, 1974. Post-independence political instability, 1974, present. The rule of PAIGC and João Bernardo Vieira, 1974–1999. After independence, the PAIGC took control of the government. Luís Cabral, the half-brother of Amilcar Cabral, became the first president. However, tensions between Guinea-Bissau and Cape Verde led to a military coup in 1980, led by João Bernardo Nino Vieira. Vieira ruled for nearly 2 decades, during which Guinea-Bissau struggled with economic problems due to mismanagement and corruption, political oppression as Vieira suppressed opposition groups, civil unrest, leading to growing dissatisfaction with his rule. The Guinea-Bissau Civil War, 1998–1999. In 1998, a civil war erupted between Vieira's government and rebellious factions within the military. The conflict lasted 11 months, causing mass displacement and economic collapse. Vieira was overthrown in 1999, and a transitional government took over. The 21st century, coups, elections, and instability. Guinea-Bissau has experienced frequent political instability in recent decades, with multiple coups, assassinations, and contested elections. 2003, a coup removed President Kumbayala. 2005, João Bernardo Vieira returned to power in an election but was assassinated in 2009. 2012, a military coup disrupted presidential elections. 2014, a return to civilian rule with the election of José Mario Vaz. 2020, Umaro Sissoko Embalo became president after another contested election. Despite these challenges, Guinea-Bissau has made some progress in economic development, especially in cashew nut production, its main export. However, the country still struggles with corruption, drug trafficking, and weak institutions. Modern Guinea-Bissau and challenges ahead. Today, Guinea-Bissau remains one of the world's poorest and most politically unstable countries. However, it has a rich cultural heritage, blending African, Portuguese, and Creole influences. Key challenges include political instability with frequent government changes, economic struggles due to dependence on cashew exports, drug trafficking, as Guinea-Bissau has become a hub for the cocaine trade between Latin America and Europe, health and education with underdeveloped infrastructure and services. Conclusion. Guinea-Bissau's history is marked by resilience and struggle. From the powerful Kabu Empire to Portuguese colonization and the heroic fight for independence, the country has overcome significant challenges. Despite ongoing political instability, the people of Guinea-Bissau continue to push for a brighter future. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sapiensofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get books on Amazon Books. Check out our website, Wordflix Publishers. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.